So hello everyone, welcome my today's live session. First of all, I just check my microphone, then we start our today's live session. So just give me 1 minute. So my microphone connection is okay. Now I set some red packet for my community member. After set some red packet, we start our today's live session. Just hold a minute. So hello everyone, this is Golam Rabbani. Welcome my today's live session. I hope all you are well. I am also well by the creator of Almighty Allah. So without wasting your time, we start our today's live session. And in my today's live session, I describe a new project which name is XT Smart Chain. And first of all, we just see the supporter of the XT Smart Chain, and you see that the total supporter here is 77,162, and the total progress of this project is about 4,51,960. And if you see the total raise of USDT, then here is total USDT is about 50,000 USDT. Total raise of this project, and here you see that my current level is VIP2, so available share for this project for me is 40. So if you are not eligible in the VIP, then you are select just a random user, and if you achieve the VIP level, then you can get a sure chance for share of this XT Smart Chain. So now we just give you a small introduction of the XT Smart Chain project. So first of all, I just told you about this project introduction, and here the XT Smart Chain is an public blockchain infrastructure focused on the delivering high performance, low cost blockchain service built with the innovative layer 2 technology, and it achieved more than 3000 TPS with sub 3-second confirmation time while maintaining full EVM compatibility. And the platform has demonstrated strong growth with the TVL expanding about 48 million US dollar and feature a comprehensive ecosystem. Eco means the ecosystem of over 10 core DApp spanning service, NFT, and the cross chain solution. So I hope you can understand the introduction of the XT Smart Chain. Now we talk about the founder of the XT Smart Chain. So the XT Foundation is primarily responsible for the development, operation, and ecosystem building of the XT Smart Chain project. Through multi-focused effort, the foundation promotes the healthy development of the XSC ecosystem with the goal of the establish XSC as a leading public blockchain infrastructure. And now you see the information for the startup, and here you see that just 0 USDT, so you can subscribe this startup without any cost. You see here 0 USDT startup passing price. And if you see the total supply for the subscriber, the total supply is also good, which is about 7692. And you see that about 100% unlocking rule for this project, which is really good for any project. And now I talk about the real highlight and real vision. So first of all, the first part of the vision is the revolutionary layer 2 scaling solution, outperforming competitor in speed and cost, comprehensive cross-chain technology, and it enabling seamless asset interoperability and full EVM compatibility with the optimized Eushon reducing gas consumption and thriving ecosystem with more than 1000 active developer and established partnership with the major exchange, strong focus on the regulatory compliance and the security with multi-audit certification. So this is really good vision for the XT smart chain. And bullet 3, just write me in the English, my dear friend, because I don't understand the Spanish language. So just write me in the English language. So now I talk about the token ecosystem. The total token ecosystem. The XT token serve as a native utility token for network fee, then stacking reward and the governance participation. Total supply is capped at 1 billion token with allocation for airdrop. For allocation for airdrop, which is about 36% allocation for the airdrop. And the ecosystem development, for ecosystem development they give 26% of their total supply, and for team 40%, and for the foundation also they can give 40% of their token. And for the strategic financing, which achieve 10% of the total supply of the token. And here you see that the token feature a structured vesting schedule to ensure long-term sustainability. So this is the long-term sustainability. So this is also a very good ecosystem for the XT smart chain. Now we talk about the technical overview. XT smart chain utilize an enhanced proof of states stack consensus mechanism with innovative sandring technology for parallel processing, and the architecture incorporates optimized 2p2 network and smart node discovery and a VRF random algorithm for the validator selection, ensuring both performance and the security. So now we talk about the token allocation. So the first point is the airdrop. So this is a good point that maximum people and maximum member are allocated from the airdrop, and you see that the XT smart chain give about 50% will be unlocked during airdrop and not snapshots, and the remaining will release in the 6 months. And the second point is the development team, unlocked after 18 months and released in the 42 months. Third is the investor, unlocked after 12 months and released in the 36 months. Then the fourth position is the ecological fund. This is 20% will be unlocked with the airdrop event, and the rest will be released over 48 months. And the last position, which is the foundation, unlocked after 18 months, released in the 42 months. So this is all about the token ecosystem, and here you see that the VIP level in this position, you see that my VIP level is 2, so current VIP level is 2, and so I get 40% share of this project. So if you also need to increase your VIP, then you need to one more thing, you need to increase your VIP by your trading volume. Here you see that if you are VIP, if you need VIP 1, you need minimum 60,000 trading volume in your future wallet, and if you need VIP 2, you need at least 1,20,000 1,20,000 US dollar for volume in the future wallet. Then for VIP 3, 2,40,000, VIP 4, 5 lakh, VIP 5, 10 lakh, VIP 6, 30 lakh, VIP 7, 80 lakh, VIP 8, about 2 million. So this is your total supply. Sorry, this is your full criteria for the VIP. So here you see that the total criteria for the VIP. So if you try to need the VIP and increase your VIP, you need a trading volume of 60,000 if you need VIP 1. So now I give you a huge information about the XT project, because first of all I just talk about the short introduction. Now I give you the full introduction about the XT smart chain. So you just see the paragraph, and here is topic name is the XT Smart Chain, which short name is XT, and gateway startup free offering 7,692 XT free of chance. So, first of all, we just talk about the XT Smart Chain startup participation rule. So, which means that how you can participate in the XT Smart Chain project. So, you see that the duration is the 5 a.m. 23 December of 2024 to the 5 a.m. of 2024 and 25 December, but this time is the UTC time. So just convert this time to your local time, then you can achieve the real time. And you see that the order placed by the qualified user within the subscription period will be treated equally. And here you see that the trading start time 9 a.m. 2024 at 25 December. It is also the UTC time. So just convert this time to your local time. And here you see that the trading pair is XT/USDT. And here is the fundraising goal, about 50,000 USDT is the total fundraising goal. And if you see the startup supply, a total supply of startup is 7,692 XT, and the total unlocking role, which is 100 unlocking role, which is very very good. And for participation requirement, complete KYC and value of spot asset balance held it not less than 10 US dollar. So you need to hold 10 US dollar in your spot asset, then you can eligible for make zero claim of this startup and of this project. So now now I give you the huge information of this project. So this point is the third point, and this point name is project information, and the project information below is provided by the XT Smart Chain team. So please follow the website for more information. So first of all, we talk about the introduction again, and here you see that the XT Smart Chain, which short name is XSC, is an public blockchain infrastructure focused on the delivering high performance low cost blockchain service and built with innovative layer 2 technology, and it achieved more than 3000 TPS with sub 3-second confirmation time while maintaining full EVM compatibility, and the platform has demonstrated strong growth with the TVL exceeding more than 48 million, and the feature a comprehensive ecosystem of over 10 core DApp spanning service and NFT and the cross-chain solution. Now we just see the more details. So you see that the token name is the XT Smart Chain, and the token symbol is the XT, and the the max supply is max supply is about 1 billion token, and the token type is the XT Smart Chain, and this is the token contract, and it is also the token distribution rule. So just I click the token contract address. So I hope this token contract address and the website is the same. So just I open the two. Yes, the token contract address and the website of same. So now we talk about the airdrop. So after airdrop, we see the token contract address, also see the website, and last of all, we see the white paper. So you see that the first position, token distribution and unlocking rule, the airdrop 50% will be unlocked. Then for the development team, unlock after 18 months and release in the 42 months. For the investor, unlock after 12 months and release in the 36 months. For the ecological fund, 20% will be unlocked with the airdrop event, and the rest will be released over 48 months. And the 5th position, the last point, is the foundation, and foundation unlock after 18 months and release in the 42 months. So now I just click the token website because the token contract and the token website address is same. So this is the website of the Smart sorry, XT Smart Chain. So you just see that it is really a good feature. And here you see that the welcome to the world of the XT Smart Chain. And XT Smart Chain is a decentralized blockchain that aim to provide is capable and user-friendly application to the world. So if I go to the downward, that you see that about XT Smart Chain, which short form is XSC. So the XT Smart Chain is a decentralized energy efficient public chain, and it compatible with smart contract and the supporting high performance transaction. And the endogenous token of the XT Smart Chain is the XT, which adopt the ESPOS consensus mechanism, which has low transaction cost, features such as low transaction latency and the high transaction concurrency. So the mission of the XT Smart Chain is not only public chain but also focus on the discovery and the supporting high potential developer and the innovative project, and relying on the world's largest trading ecosystem. XSC is committed to becoming the birthplace of innovative technologies and the innovative business to build a complete ecological cycle of technology development, application promotion, and the trading. So here you see that three steps to start XT Smart Chain ecological application. So the first step is install on chain wallet. So by clicking go to install, you can install this XT Smart Chain wallet, and you see that support MetaMask, IM token, Token Pocket, and the other wallet. So they can give you a huge supply for every wallet. So the step 2 is the purchase XSC asset. You can purchase XSC asset on the XT exchange and withdraw them to the wallet on the chain. And it is also possible to into X, and its name is the Browse XSC project. And there are certain risks in using any project on the decentralized public chain, and user need to identify and qualify of the project by themselves to avoid loss of the fund. So by clicking the go to browse, you can access the browse of the XT Smart Chain, and you see that the block data about. So you see that about 31 million are block height, and here are huge number total number of transaction. This transaction is update in every minute. So you see that there is huge transaction is 62, then 963440, and total number of address is about 22,719, and average gas fee is 0 GWEI. So gas fee is 0. So it is really a good sign. So here you see that technical characteristics. So the technical characteristics is the first is the higher transaction performance. So you see that the using HPOS consequences mechanism, higher throughput and low transaction latency and high transaction concurrency, and block generation time as low as 3 seconds. And the second is the lower transaction fee at meta transaction function, reducing an exemption, further reducing the cost of the developer and user on the chain. And third point is the smoother cross-chain experience. So support the transfer of cross-chain asset in the multiple mainstream concurrencies to create a more extreme cross-chain experience. And the last point is the more comprehensive compatible contract, and you see that the support all Ethereum RPC interface and the related SDKs seamlessly connecting to the Ethereum ecosystem. ETS mean the Ethereum, and you see that how to quickly start on the XT chain. So first work is how to connect the network, then there is just a FAQ how to simplify and run, and this is the last FAQ, which is the how to configure the ecosystem. And you can also message them by click the start. You see that you can speak to us freely, and here is the XT Smart Chain logo. So this is not interested, so just I click the explorer option, and here you see that this coin is also listed in the centralized website. So this coin have a value, and if you see the value, this coin really a huge value, and the now market price of this token in the decentralized website, which is $5.4479, which is really huge amount of token money when this token in listed in the decentralized website. So when this token listed in the gateway website, I hope this token price is again increased, and you see that last 24 hours this token increase price is about 5.12%. So here you see the market cap about 5 billion market cap, which is very huge amount of market cap. And if you see the total transaction, about 6 million of total transaction, which is really huge amount of total transaction. And here you see that if you see here, the latest block about 31 million is blocked for the XT Smart Chain, and here you see that the XT Smart Chain transaction is just increase and increase. So this is a good token, I think, and this is a native token for the XT Smart Chain website. So buy this token, and you can use this token for every use case, as compared as the swap, as compared as the withdraw. You can use this token, and you can need this token by for swap in the XT website. So you see that the latest block, you see here every second this block is update, and here is the latest transaction. Every second this transaction, you see that 7 second, 2 second, 5 second, 9 second. So this section is very update. So I hope this token has a very bright future. So here you see that the total token, which is you see that ERC20 top token, then view ERC20 transfer, ERC21 top token, view ERC21, ERC1155, view ERC1153. So you can, by clicking this, you can see the token. You just see that this is the token which its name is ERC20. So it is a blockchain. So every network token is available in this blockchain, and the XT Smart Chain is the native token of this blockchain. So this token price is really increased, and you also know that GT is a native token for the Gate.io. So the ST Smart Chain is also a native token for the Gate.io. So this token has a good chance that this token create a good pumping after the listing in the Gate.io, because this token price is already very huge. So when the token is again listing, this token price is again increase, I hope. So you can just click the token. You can view the all token network. Here is the ERC20, a total of 88,900 funds. So you just click any one ERC721 token. So every token is available in this token, in this website of the XT Smart Chain. So you can see the block here. By clicking here, you see the block number, block A, just now transaction. Then you can see the block address, gas usage, gas limit, block reward, all you see here. And if you click the transaction, you also see the total transaction. And I am really surprised for one thing. You see that this is a very update website. Every second people are transaction complete in this token. So this indicate that this transaction speed is also very high. So this is a good token listed in the Gate.io. So you can invest your money if you are interested to invest this token. So now you just see that the resource. So by clicking this resource, this is the risk list. So this is the risk list, so which means that the first position, which is the first position, these people and this contract address achieve a about 25% of the total supply of the XRT. So this is a real holder and it is a whale, it is a big whale. So when a big whale invest any token, so this token has a really a good future. So it indicates that this token XT is also a good future. So here you see that if you click the verified contract, so if you click the verified contract, this contract is verified for this token, and you see that the more option, you see that unit converter. So you can here you see that the XT is offer used in the different denomination of its currencies, such as WIS for interaction with smart contract, and the GUI for the calculating gas price. Use our unit converted to easily convert between them. So for the conversion you need WEI. This is also a token for the gas fee. You can also give some gas price by the GUI token. So this is all about the token for the explorer option. So I just create a back option. So this is all about the explorer option. So if I click the announcement page, so what we see, oh my goodness, really good. You see that this is the announcement page, and first position is the XT Smart Chain Strategic Investor Token Distribution. So here is, you see that the dear XT community, we would like to inform you about the upcoming strategic investor token distribution for the XT Smart Chain. And here you see the distribution details. Here you see the sending address, then valuation 2 billion, total investor amount 60 million, price per token 2 USDT, token distribution amount 30 million, number of strategic investor 20, and the distribution date is the December 24 of 2024. And here you see that the lockup mechanism, lockup period is 12 months, unlocking rule is 36 months, monthly release 1 is to 36, and monthly release after per investor 41,600. So this is the XT Smart Chain Foundation decision. So this is the XT Smart Chain Foundation decision announcement. So the XT Smart Chain Foundation decision announcement, and in order to further enhance the market liquidity and the stability of the XT Smart Chain project, and the project team decided to promote the long-term development of the project by introduction new investor, increasing the token distribution method, and adjusting the economic model to this in the foundation officially approved and announced the following plan contract. So this is some following plan, the token allocation and adjustment. Here you see that the XT Smart Chain project will make the following token adjustment. There are some adjustment: active user airdrop, then the strategic financing, ecological fund, foundation release share. I already talked about this, and here is the listing plan. So the time schedule, the listing runs from the October 2024 to the 2025, and is expected to be listed on the 3 or 4 exchanger, and Gateway is one of them from this 3 or 4 exchanger. Here you see that the financial plan, and first round, then second round, and last the third round. First round is November 2024, and with a fundraising period of 1 month. Then the second is the February 2025 with a fundraising period of 1 month, and the last round of later than June of 2025 with a fundraising period of 1 month. Then you see that the financial and the use DAO of the treasury fund. Here you see that the financing and the use of the DO treasury farm. Here you see that the core technology development, then here is the public product development, then team building, then the marketing, then the basic operation, then on-chain application incubation, then the liquidity incentive, then last is the strategic partnership. So this is all about the XT Smart Chain Foundation decision announcement. Now I talk about the XSC official website announcement, foundation launch announcement. So you see that their XSC user and community enthusiast in order to the better share the largest development and the important information of the XSC community with you, and we are pleased to announce that the XSC development community will launch a new announcement feature on the XSC official website on the August 3 of 2024, and through this feature you can promotedly assess the following information. And first one is the XSC development plan and the version plan. Second stage is the XSC user incentive program. Then the third step is XSC developer incentive program. And the last step is the announcement on the XSC airdrop and the reward activities. So this is all about the XSC official website announcement function launch announcement. So the fourth position is the XSC stablecoin XTUSD in online. So here you see that XSTUSD is a stablecoin implemented as an ERC20 token on the XSC blockchain, and it is designed to maintain 1:1 parity with the US dollar. With the efficiency of the blockchain technology, the XTUSD token can be issued and the redeemed on the 1:1 basis against the US dollar easily. Also, the XTUSD economic system is built on a so-called XTDAO smart contract project, and will provide a more reliable and safer way to generate the stability of the token. And the XTDAO system is managed and maintained by the DO and XTUSDT. Any search to the XTDAO protocol must be proposed and voted by the community. So you just see here the currently the XT system accept that collateral ratio of the PXTA liquidation line is 150%, XTB liquidation line is 170%, and stabilization fee is 2%, and XT3 liquidation line is 200%, and the stabilization fee is 1%. So this is all about the XT stablecoin XSD in online. So now the fifth number is the how to use the bridge. Click the link stack X USDT contract as an example. Confirm transaction. Click the confirm. Wait for the transaction and to be uploaded to the chain. Then third is check transaction. Click on history to check transaction history. Then switch network to check whether the CRUD chain asset having arrived in the account. And the last is the add token contract to the MetaMask. This is the all of the how to use in the bridge. Then the sixth position is the configuring the XSC chain with token pocket with mobile wallet. So you just see that just go with the official website to download and install. Open token pocket, click on the I don't have the wallet, click on the add customer network at the bottom, then configure a custom network as the and click confirm network name. This is just an example. You just set the network name XSC custom, then RPC is the address, chain ID is just an example. Default token is the XT. Then first position is the select the network, you just added it, and the sixth is the click the create and wallet and the set a password. The seventh position is the backup wallet, and the last is the finally complete the XSC chain configuration and go to the wallet asset page. So last point is how to configure XSC mainnet using MetaMask. So here you see that dear XT tier, the XT Smart Chain main network is officially launched, and if you want to quickly connect to the main network, you can use the wallet on the on-chain. Some example is the MetaMask, IM token, then Token Pocket. For instance, using MetaMask wallet, the specific tutorial is followed. And this is the first step: download the register MetaMask. Then the second step up the XT Smart Chain test network. Then this is the last step, and you see that open MetaMask, and you can see the wallet in on the Ethereum mainnet by the default, and click on the Ethereum mainnet and click custom RPC in the drop down menu. And here you see that enter the following information in the form: network name, address RPCL, chain ID 520, symbol XT, then more RPC information. And after entering the information above, click save the configured successfully. So this is all about the announcement page, my dear friend. And now you just see here the market of the XTUSDT, and this is also as like the GetIO. You see here the market here, so I just ignore this. And here you see that the stacking, you can also stack your XSDT. And you just see here my wallet is show, because this is stacking with your Phantom wallet. You can stack with your Phantom wallet. And here you see that about 27 validator, and stack total a huge amount, about 8,09,099,000 XT is stacking total amount, and GUID is the stacking GUID. And here you see that this is the validator stack about 49,226, amount increase 5.5%. And here you see that status is active and action is stacking. So you can also stack your XT by clicking this stacking page. And here you see the breeze. Here you just see here you can bridge your Ethereum to the XT Smart Chain network. Here you just click your currency, then amount, and then your address, then click connect to wallet, and just click the wallet action. Then the bridge is successful. And there is the section of the NFT, so you can also collect the NFT by here. And this is the swap option, so you can swap your token. So here you see that the X swap. So you can swap the XT token to the any native token by clicking this area, and you can select any token by here USDT you see here. So you can select the USDT, and also from the USDT in your XT, then just click the exchange. And if you select 10 USDT, then 10 amount of USDT convert to the XT token. Then you can click the exchange, and this position is complete. But before this, you need to connect the wallet. So this is all about this website. By clicking this download, you can download their function. So this is all about the XT website. Now I talk about the white paper. Just click the white paper option, and here you see that here is the XT Smart Chain technical white paper. So this is as like an assignment. So here you see that the first is the introduction, then second point is the XT Smart Chain feature, then third is the XT Smart Chain other feature, then fourth is the concept, and in the subsection you see that the consequences, then working mechanism of HPOS, then description, then punishment, reward, creation, achieved, and the investor, and last position is the roadmap. So you just see the introduction, and you see that XT Smart Chain is a decentralized and energy efficient public chain, and it compatible with a smart contract and supports high performance transaction And gateway user BB, thank you for your lovely comment, my dear friend. Thank you. And here you see that with the smart contract and support high performance transaction, and the endogenous token of the XT smart chain is XT, and which adopt the HPOC consequences mechanism, which has low transaction cost and features such as a low transaction latency and the high transaction concurrency. So the mission of the Smart Chain is not only a public chain but also focus on the discovering and the support high potential development and the innovation project. So, relying on the world's largest trading ecosystem, XSC is a competitor to becoming the birthplace of the innovative technologies and innovative business to build a complex ecological cycle of the technology development, application promotion, and the trading. So this is the XT Smart Chain's small feature. Here you see that an open and decentralized network to maintain the security of the network and asset, and the network EVM programmability and smart contract compatibility to reduce development or migration cost, and meta transaction function fee reduction, then efficiently reduction the cost of the development and the and user on the chain. And you see that the support growth chain asset transfer and the optimize user experience. The third position is the XT Smart Chain other feature, and here you see that the GitHub, then the rule of participation in the validation, and anyone can edit and code the verification. And this position is the concept. This is the consequences. Some consequences is the consequences mechanism of the XT Smart Chain is based on the HPOA consequences mechanism, and HPOA is a proof of the stack based consequences mechanism, which is a hybrid of the DPoS and PoA, and the post can efficiently defend against 51 attack but is not decentralized enough. HPOS involve token holder vaulting and the electing a set of the validator, increasing decentralized and the benefiting community government. So this is all about the consequences. Now you see the working mechanism of HPLC. So first of all, block and generated by the limited set of validator, then validator take turn generating block and in a POS manner, then simulator to the Ethereum C liquid consequent engine. Then the set of validator is selected based on stack based governance on the XT Smart Chain with a certain probability and the randomness. And here you see that the sense of the validator sent and the relying through a cross-chain communication mechanism, and the per layer consequences engine interact with a set of the system contract to enable cleansing, revenue distribution, and the developer set update. So this is the description section. You see that the validator, then active validator epoch, then the punishment section. Whenever it is found that the verify has not packaged and block according to the predefined, the punish contract with a automatically called at the end of the block, and the verifier will be countered, and when the count reaches 24, all the verifier income will be punished, and when the count releases 48, the validator will be removed from the list of the active validator and disqualified. So this is the reward section. So 10% to the backup and 40% is validator share by the board and 40% validator share. So for any account, send unstacking transaction to the validator management contract, wait for 86,400 block, block and then send a withdrawal transfer to the validator management contract. And here you see that the creation achieved, and with the creation document description you see here the chain ID, then need to period, block time interval, then appose the time interval in the block, the current lepos equal 200 block at the end of the each period, and the blockchain interfere with the system contract to the update the active validator, then the non section, then the time stamp must be at least the percent time stamp plus block period, then the extra data, then gas limit. Here you see the difficulty is scalar value corresponding to the difficulty level applied during the discovery of the random number of this block. And you see that the testnet recommended using 0xl, and you see that the Coinbase the address of the system used to collect the block reward, and this is the alloc. And all lower to define a list of the installed wallet. Here you see that the contact name Jet is account, validate contract address, punished contract address, and proposal address. So the number, the height of the block in the chain where the creation height is block 0, and percent hash, the keycack of 256 bit has value of the entire percent hash. And here you see the investor, you one round of airdrop, second, third, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, nine. Development team 1, 2, and third round of investor. Then the foundation ecological fund lockup. So the last point, which is really very interesting. So the everyone need the roadmap. So here you see that the roadmap for the XSC. The XSC first of all is the 2021 of the 11 of 2021. Here you see that XSC mainnet is online and more information is here. And 2022 of 01 you see that XSC scan version was is online and more information by clicking here. And you see that 2022 of 02 you see that XSC NFT market open sky in online and more information is here. And in the fourth is the 2024 in 03 month you see that XSC Tracker DO is online and more information is here. And here you see that XSC XSwap system is online. It is forked from the Uniswap version 2 and more information is here. Uniswap is the decentralized website, a very popular decentralized website. So you see that 2024 of 05 month XT Wallet app version 1 is online and more information is here. 2024 6 month XSC Breeze version 1 is online. 2024 07 XSC Sky Ticket in online. Sky Ticket is online. 2023 02 month XSC Scan version 2 is online. 23 10 month X3 Wallet app version 1 online. 2024 03 plan to update XSC Breeze and support following features: support Polygon chain, support BSC chain. 2024 06 month plan to update XSwap through version 3. 2024 11 plan to update X3 wallet and to the version 2 and support following features: support XSwap feature within DApp, support XSC Breeze feature within DApp. So the last plan 2025 plan to update XSC mainnet and the Taker DAO system and development some new production based on XT Smart Chain. So this is all information about this token. So here you see some attention. So please be noted that we may be restrict for prohibited the use of all of the portion of the service. Data user BBD, thank you for your lovely comment, my dear friend. So just give me 1 minute. So you see here, if you are from the China, mainland China, United States of America, Singapore, Canada, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Cuba, Iran. This restricted area you are not able to entry in this subscription. Then the risk warning is this project team does not guarantee the token price will be lower than the startup sale price. So please invest with caution and don't invest beyond your financial capability. So the startup project is still in its initial stage and factor including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risks. And here you see that advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and elevate the inherent risks to crypto asset investment. And the market volatility is high and the price of this token might fluctuate drastically due to the technical, regulatory, and market factor. User may not be able to withdraw all purchase token due to technical issues of the project and Gate.io or the Gate.io. And requirement to participate, user see that login verification and just go to the startup page, just click the $0 fee, then you can participate in this token. So just in this section I give you a huge information about this XD Smart Chain. Now I talk about some risk factor for every startup. So here you see that the first risk factor. So the startup project is still in its initial stage and factor including the operation and the underlying technology of the project and the other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risks. Then the second option is the advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand the elevate the inherent risks of the crypto asset investment. Then the volatility of the market is very high and the price of this token might fluctuate drastically due to the technical, regulatory and market factor, etc. User may not be able to withdraw all purchase token due to the technical issue of the project or Gate.io. So now I talk about the startup rule update for the Gate.io. So here you see that the Gate.io startup. So now I talk about what is the Gate.io startup. So by clicking the startup FAQ, you just see here what is startup. So the Gate.io startup is the world's largest token launch platform where user can discover potential project and participate in startup subscription and receive token airdrop, and startup allocate token to user based on the share system, and eligible user can claim a certain number of share, and the more share you can claim, the more token you receive. So you see that the Gate.io startup is the one of the largest token launch platform, allowing user to participate at the no cost and explore potential project in its early stage. And currently startup has completed a major update and enabling user to participate with lower threshold and receive free airdrop more easily, and details are followed. So you hear main update in startup participation rule for the VIP user. So first of all, for airdrop project, after subscription, sufficient balance is not required anymore before token distribution. So when you enter in any startup, then no balance is required to distribute the startup balance to your spot asset. So the next point is the user who upgrade to the VIP level by holding asset will have their VIP level verified during token distribution, and the final allocation they receive will be determined by their VIP level at the time of the distribution. So if you have a higher VIP level, you can achieve a higher token. So you just see here about VIP free airdrop. So if you have a VIP level of 0, you can available share with the lucky draw. Then if you have the VIP 1, you can available 20 share. If you are VIP 2, you available 40 share. If you are VIP 3, you available 100 share. If you VIP 4, you available 200 share. If you VIP 5, you available 400 share. If you VIP 6, you available 800 share. If you VIP 7, you available 1400 share. If you VIP 8, you achieve 2000 share. If you VIP 9, you achieve 4000 share. If you VIP 10 to 16, you achieve 800 share. Sorry, 8000 share. Sorry. So just give me few seconds. I just drinking some water. So I give you some question answer, which are people who is people sorry who is some important question for the newcomer. So this is the first question: how many token I receive? So the token receive equal the share subscribe into token per share and the token distribution ratio. Token per share equal distribution ratio vary for each project, and please refer the announcement project airdrop result, and the more share you subscribe, the more token you receive. So there is some example. For example, if you subscribe for 5 share and token per share is 1000, then while the distribution ratio of this startup is 0.001, you can receive about 10 token. So the second question is, do I need to pay for the startup subscription? You are not. Sorry, this question answer is no fund are required when participation in the pre airdrop subscription. So here you see that some question: do I need to keep a significant balance in my account to participation in a startup? So for startup airdrop, sufficient balance is not required anymore before token distribution after subscription. And how many times you can participate in share? You can participate in the same startup only once with each KYC account, but you can participate in other startup in progress. You can participate in other startup in progress. So when will I get startup token? So the final sale result will be announced before trading start. So if you see here, you just see here, after 10 hour 14 minutes you can achieve your share in your spot asset. So this is all about the participation rule for the VIP. So I just talk about the rule for the non-VIP user. So for the non-VIP user, you see that all non-VIP user with spot asset of no less than $10 can enter the startup page and claim startup airdrop for free. After non-VIP user participate in subscription, whether they win or not will be announced after the subscription in. User can check the result in subscription history or on the project subscription page. So how you can see your share if you are non-VIP user. So for this you need to go to the subscription history. So where you see the subscription history, so just go to the startup page, then you see here in progress, and here is the more option. Just click the subscription history, and here you see that this token is the in progress. So after a few moments I can accept this token, and here you see again how can I share from this token. You see that DESCI I available 23 token after the token allocation. So you see here of all your startup result, here you see that I see all the startups here in this option. So how you can also see your result by click the subscription history. And for non-VIP user are not guaranteed to receive startup airdrop token per a lucky non-VIP user will be randomly select for each product and eventually distributed the airdrop allocation. So I told you before, if you are non-VIP user, you are selected just randomly, you are not guaranteed the token airdrop. And you see that the token airdrop amount is non-VIP user will vary depending on the project. The number of the winner and the airdrop amount are not fixed, and please pay attention to the subscription result. And the 5 point is that for airdrop project, sufficient balance is not required anymore before token distribution. The airdrop token will be directly distributed to the spot wallet after the subscription in. Then the last number is non-VIP user who use startup voucher to use to join the startup will have their voucher benefit prioritizedly, and startup voucher guaranteed a 100% corresponding share by user still need to hold a spot asset of no less than $10. So you need just hold $10 in your spot asset, then you can freely join any share and any startup. Here you see some note: the provider rule where non-VIP user are guaranteed to receive 3 share startup airdrop has been abolished in this update. After this update, non-VIP user will spot asset no less than $10 can directly participate and receive airdrop if they are win. Then all existing subscription share rule to the VIP user remain unchanged, and they are eligible to receive the airdrop with a 100% guarantee. And the higher the level and the more startup airdrop share they can subscribe. So non-VIP user participating in the startup subscription will follow the partial winning mechanism with a random selection of user winning airdrop for each project, and winning can be repeated across different projects. So new rule tax effect from the 2 August 2025. So it is 24 already. It is effect, and where are the discrepancy areas between the translated version and the original English version, the English version shall be prevailed. So this is all about the startup rule update. So now I talk about the startup referral carnival. For join this, just click the startup. You see that here is every progress. You just click any project. I just click the XT Smart Chain. Then you see here in this option, you see the invite and the earn option. So just click the invite and earn option, and you just see the page startup referral carnival. And in this page you see here invite friend to register or participate in the startup for the first time to win more airdrop. So here you see that the this is the Golam Rabbani, and you see here invite friend and share to execute exclusive referral link with friend to invite them to register or join startup subscription successfully for the first time. Then they will be your valid invite. Then the earn point. So for this, just share this invite now. Just click this invite now. Just copy this link and share to your friend. Then your friend join to the Get.io with your ID and entry any startup. Then you can achieve the valid invite. Then you see that the earn star are earned according to the daily trading volume of valid invite within 30 days, and the more trading volume of your invite, the more share you can earn. Then the swap star for the share. Every 10 star can swap 1 startup share you can achieve, and more stars can swap more share. Here you see that what is a startup share. The startup share is the exclusive reward of the startup which can be used to swap extra share of VIP free airdrop. Every 10 star can swap 1 share with a cap of 40,000 star. To swap share for the project, you can swap share for as many project as you can every day. So here you see the notice option. So you see that the star redemption is unsupported for project with total subscription star share less than 1000. Then star redemption is only available for startup airdrop project and is unsupported for non-airdrop project. Then you see that the participant should adhere strictly to the event rule. Any from the cheating is strictly prohibited and will result in the immediate disqualified from the receiving any prize. And market repair companies and institutional account are not allowed to participate in this event. If there is any discrepancy between the language and English version, of this announcement, the English version is the shall prevail, and you are not if you are in the restricted area, you are not able to join in the participation rule. And here you see that Get.io have the final right to the interpret this event. So now I talk about how you can join a startup how you can join a startup. You just see here how you can participate in a startup. So you see here, for participate in a startup, you just go to the general startup airdrop, log in the gateway account, get to the startup page, hold at least 10 USDT in your sport asset, and 0 fee to claim GT holder exclusive airdrop, log in GT account, go to the startup page, hold at least 10 GT, hold GT and claim free. So for join any startup, just click the startup, and here you see that all progress, just click the claim all, just click the claim on, then you can achieve all share, of this token. So by click the claim all, you can achieve $0 free. Also you can claim the 0 free claim, then you can achieve the share of the XT. So this is all about the participation rule. So by clicking this, you need to hold $10 in your sport asset, then you can join any share. So now I talk about some in progress share. So you see here there is just 6 in progress, and the first position is the XT Smart Chain, which was our project, the XT Smart Chain. I already talked a huge information of this token and of this project. So you see here the supporter is 77,000. And now I talk about the second, his INSC, which his name is Industry Sonic. This project about supporter 57,000, progress 4,68,000, and total raise is 40,000 USDT. And the full name is the Industry Sonic, and the short name of this token is INNC. So third position is the TTC, whose name is Tron Tycoon. This is in the preheat stage. So after preheat stage, you can see the supporter and the progress option. And the fourth position is the TEVA, whose full name is Teve, Tevaira. This project is also in the preheat. So after finish the preheat, you can see the supporter option. Then the project name is ESCC, whose full name is Ecosystem Stable Coin, and this coin also in the preheat stage. After finish 1 day 12 hour 36 minute, you can also see the total participation of this token and total raised GT and US dollar. And you see that the Clayton token is the last progress token. You see that total supporter is about 45,000. The progress is 7,34,154. Total raised GT is 1,667. You see here, I already subscribed this. My level is VIP2, but I can achieve this token by lucky draw. So this is all about the in progress airdrop. So now I just talk about the startup mining, how you can join any startup mining. So you see here, you can stack your USDT in the MNRC, then you can participate in the MRC stacking. So if you entry in this MNRC, then every 1 hour you can achieve MNRC token in your spot. So now you just see here. So this is only for the newcomer. You see that this pool is only open to the user who's seeing after 2024 12 and 20 of December. So this is only for the newcomer. Here you see that the newcomer, only for the newcomer. And the mining period is the 7 day. So second is the blade. So you can stack your GT by clicking here, then you can achieve some token after every hour by the blade. You see here the total GT is tracking very huge. Price pool per hour about 888.89 blade, which is very huge. So every hour you can achieve this blade token. So then the third one. You just see here APR is 1.96. Here APR is 2,224. 2024. And here you see that the participation is 4,200 sorry, where is the participation? Just wait. So just wait, just click the startup mining. So here you see that the total participation is 24,228. There is the BGSC. You can also stack your BGSC, stock your BTC, also stack BGSC pool, and you can earn some BGSC token in every hour, and you see that mining in it the 3 day. So now there is the token Swan chain. You can stack your USDT. So now if I click the USDT, this is, oh my goodness, this is also for the newcomer. You just see here, this pool is only open user who sync after the 2024 12th month on 17th December. This is also for the newcomer. So here you see that total stacking Swan pool is about 3 lakh Swan, and the participation is 3,149. Price pool cap per hour 1,785. This is total Swan in every hour. So this is all about the Swan pool. Now I talk about the all progress pool. You see that earn NM. So you can also earn the earn AM by stack your GT. You see that this mining is 24 days, which is very huge, very huge. The date is available for this token. You just see there, if you stack your GT, you can achieve 9.14 APR, and reward is very huge. You see that participation is about 8,000. So you can just stack your GT, and then you can earn in MR in every hour, and you see that mining in the 24 hour. Then in the last is the key KOS, and here is the GT pool. By clicking the stack, you can stack your GT. APR is 8.92, participation is 3,036, total stack is 6,49,659 GT, and you can also stack your costs, and you see that APR is 336.3%, participation is 3,335, and total stack is about 9,10,923. So this is all about the startup mining. I also talk about some in progress startup. Also I give you a huge information about the XT Smart Chain, which is our project review. So thank you everyone for joining to my live session and support me in my project review. So now I just in my project review, and after 20 minutes I am again come with my today's live session. So thank you very much for supporting me. And Muhengi, thank you very much for my friend. And you told me hello from Turkey, and I am really hello from the Bangladesh. And you see here also with a good broadcasting too. Thank you very much, my dear friend, for your lovely comment, and thank you for giving your UID to my comment. And last of all, welcome my dear Mohingi friend. So that's all for today. So I am again come back after 20 minutes. So just stay tuned with me, because after 20 minutes I just come with my today's live session, because I missed the today's live class. So I am again come back after few minutes. So just stay with me, and thank you very much for join to my today's live session. So